Fixes most toilet problems, replaces poor performing or outdated fill valves and cracked flush valves. Quick and easy to install, no tank removal repair kit cuts repair time in half. Universal design fits most toilet models. Simple peel and stick flush valve install. PerforMAX 2 flush valve repair kit, high performance, quiet and powerful, included, with toilet flapper and seal. Fits 2 flush valve toilets including Kohler, Toto, American Standard and more. Adjustable for maximum performance and water savings. The Fluidmaster 400CARP5 PerforMAX no tank removal kit helps improve poor performing and outdated toilets. Kit includes the quiet, powerful PerforMAX toilet fill valve, as well the water-saving flush valve repair kit. Flush kit includes a 555C2 toilet flapper, adjustable water usage, with peel and stick fast, easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. Super easy install. Install took 10 minutes from start to finish. Won't lie, I have replaced these before, so I kinda knew what to do. But even for a beginner this is a easy fix.